Okay, so we have got a new space to work on some stuff, and it is a storage unit, but it is very unique. And I've just recently put in some stuff to make it a little more hospitable. Got the fan going on here, and this thing is 11 by 28, so it's pretty wide, but more importantly, it's quite deep. I do have a light switch here, which is great, and an outlet for a fan. And I've just thrown up these LED strips from Amazon, and they are pretty awesome. Light this thing out quite nicely. Got all the held in by zip ties at the moment, but this is a cool little workspace that is going to be. This is a cool little workspace that is going to be a great storage unit, but more importantly, a mobile or a shop for me as well. So I will be working on outfitting this and putting more things in here, and probably working out of here for the foreseeable future. So look forward to more updates regarding the poverty shop I have here, #poverty shop. So until then, please comment, like, and subscribe to see more, and maybe I'll do a time-lapse video of me outfitting it or something. But looking forward to a lot more with you guys. Thanks.